Hey, welcome back to our Russian alphabet series. Last time we talked about 6 letters that look familiar but sound different in Russian.
Sounded completely different.
Okay, so today we're going to look at more letters, which are actually all consonants. And so even though they don't necessarily look familiar, they do make sounds that are familiar and similar to English sounds. So starting with the first one, we've got B or B as in baby. Okay, so this one looks pretty different, I know. Yeah. So this one is actually, it's called ikratkaya. So that means, I, and then ikratka means short I. So it's just a very short I sound. So in this case, we have the example of feet.
I.
Yep, otherwise known as ikratkaya. All right, next one. So the letter itself is Z.
So zebra.
Zebra, yeah. In Russian, actually, the way to say zebra is zebra. It's very
Zebra.
very similar.
Fun fact.
All right, yeah, next one. This lovely letter is the Russian J, so it's zhe. Zhe.
Zhe.
Yep. So in this case, I know we have the S underlined, but because in the word measure, it does actually sound like a zh sound. Yeah, so it's measure, that zh sound.
Zh.
Yep.
Measure.
And also, my name in Russian, my nickname is Zhenya, so my nickname starts with the letter zhe.
Zhe.
All right, next one, tse.
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 Yep. And the example here we have is pizza, because it does actually make that sound really well. So, tse as in pizza. Tse.
Tse.
Yeah, tse.
Tse.
Nice. All right, another one. The letter is called che.
Che.
Yeah, che. And you know,
As
it
in
would
the
have.
upside down chair.
I was gonna say it would have made more sense to have the example be chair, because it does make the ch sound. But we have cheese, so you got cheese pizza.
Also
Fine.
good.
This one is the letter sha, and the example we have here is sure.
Ah, sure.
Yep. Yeah. Sure. All right, last one. Okay, so it is different from the one above in that it's a bit of a longer sh sound. So the letter is called xia. So this one is sha. This is xia. So the example here we have is sheep. It's just longer sh.
Okay.
Xia. If you want to get more practice with all of these letters in context, head over to our Russian course. Ready for some examples?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. So first one. You do know all of the letters in that first example. Do you want to try reading it?
Sobaka.
Yep.
Sobaka.
Sabaka.
Sabaka.
Yep, which means dog. Next one, you also know all of those letters.
Brat.
Yeah, brat.
My brother is a brat. This is it makes so much sense now.
So next one is that short E. So for this example, it's moi.
Moi.
Yep, moi, which means my. Do you want to try reading that one?
Maika?
Yep, Maika.
Maika.
Yep, which just means shirt.
Oh, okay.
Maika. Next one. We have the ze. So for example, you want to try that one?
Oh, geez Louise. So this is visa.
Yeah.
Visa.
Yeah, exactly the same as English, visa.
Visa. Okay.
All right, so the next one is завтра. Завтра. And together, завтра.
Завтра.
Nice. And that just means tomorrow.
Завтра. Завтра. I love you.
Okay, next one. Же. So I'll read this one. Муж. Муж. Which means husband.
Okay. Mouj.
Yeah. Do you want to try the next one? How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling okay. Journal. Journal.
Nice. Yeah. Journal.
Journal.
Yep, journal, which, again,
Journal.
Yeah. There's a lot of words that are borrowed. They're
Yeah,
similar.
very,
Visa,
very similar.
Visa, journal. Yeah. All right. Se. So,
Se.
yep, se. So this word is цена.
Cena.
Цена.
Cena.
Цена.
Cena.
Yep, it means price. All right. Next one.
Ulica.
Улица.
Ulica.
Yeah. So the word is улица.
Ulica.
And it means street.
Dancing in the ulica.
I like all the song references you got here. I don't have that
It
many.
helps me remember.
Next one. So this is the che. So for this, I'm gonna make you try that first word, sounding it out.
Chas?
Yeah.
Chas?
Yep. Chas.
Chas.
And that just means hour. So the next one.
Chashka.
Exactly.
Chashka.
Yep. Chashka. Chash.
Oh, wow.
No, that's really good.
That was a lot of fun.
But you can like put all these letters together just based off of the last couple lessons you went through.
I mean, yes.
And you're only halfway through the alphabet right now. But you can already actually put like
I know, I'm
letters
starting
together.
to think like that native speaker.
Nice.
It's slowly but surely, you know, building up for me. So this is awesome.
Nice. All right, next. So this one is scharf.
Sharf.
Yep, scharf.
Sharf.
And it means scarf.
Sounds so similar.
At least it ends with the same sound as English. This one, yeah. So
Okay.
this one, I know there's like a lot of O's in there. So this is хорошо. Хорошо.
Okay.
Хорошо.
Okay.
It's got that rolled R in there.
Yes.
Хорошо. Like you can respond to somebody when there's like,
ask me how I am.
Lauren, как дела?
Хорошо.
Nice. Exactly.
Thank you.
All right, next one.
This is the longer one.
Yeah, this is the longer sh sound, exactly.
Okay.
So this first word is вещи. Вещи.
Вещи. Вещи.
She.
She.
Maybe some of you recognize this delicious dish.
Борщ.
Yeah, борщ.
Борщ.
Exactly. Okay, so we like to wrap these things up with a phrase. So
Okay,
that's the
yes.
last thing we got coming up. So today we have как вас зовут.
Как вас зовут?
Yeah, so that means what is your name?
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But a note here, so vas is actually kind of the more formal version of your. So what's your
Okay.
name? You're asking somebody that you either just met or somebody who's older than you. There's still a lot of, like hierarchy in Russian culture. And so somebody older than you do maintain that formality.
Okay.
So yeah.
Как вас
Зовут.
зовут?
Yeah.
So, привет.
Привет.
Как вас зовут?
Меня зовут Женя. That's all we've got for today. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, you subscribe so that you don't miss anything coming up, and you leave a comment if you've got any feedback or questions. And otherwise, thanks for watching.
Bye.
До свидания.